So it's 3 o'clock now. It is the time where we eat snack now. Hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you... Wait, what's this? Do you know what is this? Well, if you don't know yet, let me tell you. Maybe this is like a grandfather clock. Look how tall this is on my arm. See what a tall creation. Not that tall, but it's just like a scale for what is this camera? Boring. Okay, as you can see, it has a pendulum. It's not working itself. It's just the, since it doesn't have mechanism, it is just a simple build, but it looks pretty good. And some designs here. My customized designs are this one, this piece here, which you can put in the top piece. Oh no, sorry. Okay, let me just fix this. Yeah, it's easy to fix. This is how the customized design is. And unfortunately, despite being cool, it cannot turn. It doesn't have the correct, like the real clock, which is there. But no big deal for it, because it's a good looking build. And the clock face is not a Kne'x piece. It is made from this piece. No. Maybe this one. Like this piece of cardboard, or maybe a glossy paper or something. If you want, take a look at the back there, you can see this time it doesn't have a hole here to see the pendulum now. Well, as you can see in the front, it has a little hole here, so you can just put your hand here and just wiggle it. Well, it is still really cool, even though this one only works. Well, you can just turn it like that to stick that, but you cannot put it to 10 or 11. You can just only put it here, 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 and here. Not here, 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 here. Look at the details here, as you can see here. And also the top view. Yeah, how tall is this? Okay, look how tall it is. And here is when the full body, here, like this. Thanks for watching, guys, and this is just a short review, and I also made this of how I also made it. I also made a video for that of how I made this. Well, anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and this is a Kne'x grandfather clock out of Kne'x, and this piece here, which is not Kne'x at all. It's just, maybe I still call it Kne'x because all of the entire it, even except this one, is Kne'x. Anyways, this is a grandfather clock on Kne'x, and thanks for watching, guys.